skeleton face.
Mm-hmm.
Your baby's being lazy. Your baby's just all curled up in a ball right now. But I think everybody will be surprised. But it's a boy.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See that right there? This is testicles, penis. He's got the whole works.
It's a boy.
Yeah, my mom was right.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know.
That's all boy. Showing it off well.
I guess it's because, I don't know. He thought it was a girl, so I just kind of thought, oh my god, that's just crazy.
See both his legs. His feet.
Now we really have to paint that room.
This is top of his head.
Oh, okay.
He's got a good looking brain.